Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goyal and in this video we are going to solve this puzzle that if 20 plus 40 is equals to 0, 5 and 74 plus 70 is equals to 12 and 82 plus 50 is equals to 11. So what is the value of 88 plus 20? So let's start with the today's video and check its solution. So in normalized case that 20 plus 40 is 60. So if I'll divide 60 with 12, I get 5. Similarly, 74 plus 70, and we get 144. And if I divide 144 with 12, I get the 12. Now, 82 plus 50, when I add this, I get 132. When I divided it by 12, I get 11. Now, 88 plus 20 is 108. And when we divide it by 12, we get 9. So the answer for this question mark is 9. I hope it's clear. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.